All right, I'm adding what's left of my yellow to this green. I'm making a nice yellow green, and that is going to be in my first spot. It's really watery, so what I can do is called lifting. So I'm going to dry my brush, and I'm just going to go back in there and lift some of that water out. And then I can let that one sit a while and dry. Then the next color I'm going to use is I'm going to go with orange into my green. And so down here, we're going to create a row of different greens using the colors that we have. So orange into the green. I can add more orange if I think I wanted to go darker. Again, if I feel like there's too much in there, I can lift it some out. Notice I dried my brush and then lifted the color out. And then I'm going to go into red. I've already set this up, and you can see the difference in them. I might let that one just sit as it is, heavy on there. It will dry out. And then I'll just keep going with my colors. One thing you could do is if you, let's say I went a little heavy with the yellow, and I mean the orange, excuse me, and I added that in there, and then suddenly my green went from like a green to what you might perceive as a brown. Well, you could sneak that down here. So if it looks like it's more brown than green, you can put it down there. And you're going to go all the way around playing with your colors. Blue add to the green, purple into the green. Of course, try some brown into the green, black into the green. And just keep going and try to get as many different variations as you can. And right here you can see how this is pooled over onto the side. So this is going to be a darker value of that very same green, and this will be lighter right there where the white paper is showing through. And up here, you're going to fill that area to match your actual colors that you have. And then the rest of the time you're going to play. There's also a technique here that we're going to do, which is basically going from light to dark. And the trick is, and I'm just going to use red down here just because I want to do something fun. I'm going to just take red and I'm going to put it into that spot. Pure red there. And then I'm going to dip my brush. Not shake it, but dip it, and then rake it. And I have diluted it just slightly. And then I'm going to dip it and rake it across. And I will get 3 distinct values of red, which is what I want you to do here. I want you to try to get, I can play with this one a little bit. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 values of that red. I want you to, I don't care what color combination you do, as I just want to see 3 values of a different color in each one of these spots. And then when you get to the apple, I want you to play with the idea of chiaroscuro, which is the Italian word for light and shadow. And so basically you're going to decide, where is the light source? Is it coming from this direction? Is it coming from that direction? If you paint your table purple, then it would be a shadow of purple being cast. And you will see in the examples, if you do a red apple, then do dark and light areas of red, and you can build it up just like we've done here. All right, have fun.